Chocolate ice cream recipe. 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 4 ounces semisweet chocolate, chopped, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt. 1. In a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, cocoa powder, and salt over medium heat. 2. Whisk continuously until the mixture is smooth and begins to simmer, but do not let it boil. 3. Remove the saucepan from heat and add the chopped semisweet chocolate, stirring until completely melted and incorporated. 4. Stir in the vanilla extract. 5. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and cover with plastic wrap, ensuring the wrap touches the surface of the mixture to prevent a skin from forming. 6. Place the bowl in the refrigerator and chill the mixture for at least 4 hours or overnight until thoroughly chilled. 7. Once chilled, pour the mixture into an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions until it reaches a soft serve consistency. And transfer the churned ice cream to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours or until firm, and enjoy ice cream. 8. Once chilled, remove the bowl from the refrigerator and give the mixture a good stir. 9. Pour the chilled mixture into a shallow freezer-safe container. 10. Place the container in the freezer and let it freeze for about 1 to 2 hours or until the edges start to firm up. 11. Remove the container from the freezer and use a fork or whisk to vigorously stir the mixture, breaking up any frozen chunks and incorporating air into the mixture. 12. Return the container to the freezer and repeat this stirring process every 30 minutes for about 2 to 3 hours or until the ice cream is firm and creamy. 13. Once the ice cream reaches the desired consistency, pour it into bowls or cones and add any toppings of your choice if desired. Finally, enjoy your homemade chocolate ice cream. I hope you like this recipe, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And on which recipe to make the next video, please tell us in the comment section.